Hi, I'm Don, retired and still trying. December just wrapped up, and this month was quieter on the surface, but louder underneath. Because December wasn't about big money, it was about something more important: momentum. Not hype, not overnight success, just real signs that the work is starting to stack. So today I'm opening the books: what worked, what didn't, what I earned, and what this really means going forward. Because retirement didn't slow me down, it gave me room to build again. So the wins. Win number one: we crossed 1,000 subscribers on December 30th. This channel hit 1,000 subs. Hard to believe. That number doesn't mean fame. It means trust. It means people chose to come back, and that's bigger than any dollar amount. Win number two: momentum showed up. Some of my older videos didn't fade. They woke back up. New views, new comments, new subscribers. That tells me the algorithm is starting to remember this channel. Win number three: shorts are still opening doors. Shorts continue to bring in new eyes and new conversations. This channel is finally being seen. So the real numbers for the money: no hype. Amazon affiliate income, $5.20. Small but real. Amazon KDP books income, it was a mere 70 cents. Not impressive, but proof that someone somewhere chose to read something I wrote. Merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, that kind of stuff, like this one. No wins there yet. Didn't sell anything. So December wasn't a money month. It was a foundation month. The fails, the useful kind: well, fail number one: not enough return viewers yet. People are finding the channel, but not enough for coming back consistently. So connection becomes the priority. Long form still needs tightening. Clicks are coming, but retention needs work. Storytelling and pacing gets sharper in January. Fail number three: I underestimated how long trust really takes. You don't rush community. You earn it slowly, honestly, repeatedly. So the January plan: one long video every week, 3 shorts supporting each video. Maybe some coffee thoughts sprinkled in each week. And then more storytelling, less noise, more honesty, and less hype. Because I'm not chasing viral. I'm building something that lasts. December obviously didn't make me rich, but it made me clearer. And clarity builds momentum. If you're retired, rebuilding, or starting over in your own way, you're not alone here. Hit subscribe and come into January with me. One video, one lesson, one small win at a time. Thanks for watching.